You don't have to be a permanent victim of muffin top. Let's fix that. Let's go. Welcome back, everyone. My name is Srinidhi, and I believe you shouldn't have to change your body to fit your clothing. You can change your clothing to fit you. And today I'll be teaching you how to resize your jeans to fit a larger waist. So I'm going to loosen it up by just replacing some of the material to be stretchy. And you'll see that makes a huge difference.
There's so many types of leggings out there, but there's probably only one old, ripped one that you can use for this transformation. But just in case you have options, here's 2 factors to remember. The first is the material. I wanted super stretchy comfort, so I chose old cotton leggings. They're the most magical of comfort in my opinion. They're also not going to give you much control or cinch in your waist. So if you want that, then I suggest leggings that have nylon or spandex in it. The second factor is color. If you have black jeans, this is the easiest for you because you can probably find black leggings. Hey, you could still do this with blue jeans if you don't mind having different colored sides. In fact, I've actually seen those in stores, so don't be afraid to rock them. Cut off the legs of the leggings, wow, tongue twister, and place them over the sides of your pants. Now, warning, 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 you don't want to cut on the edges I've highlighted. This edge should be the bottom of the leggings, so it's already finished, and this edge should be the nice folded over part of the leggings. The only edge that you cut is the bottom edge as shown. Using chalk, mark where your rectangles meet the front and back of these pants. Then, cut on those lines with scissors. Jeans are thick, so be patient when cutting. First, make sure your pants are right side out. Then, pin your fabric rectangles upside down to the bottom of the cutout on the pants, as shown. Sew it in place, taking off the pins as you go. Now flip over the fabric and pin the rest of the edges to the pants. This is why we didn't want any of these edges to be raw cut edges, because these are going to be visible on the outside. So sew these new edges in place, and now your pants are done. Time to rock them.
When your clothes fit more comfortably, oftentimes you also look better. It's a 2-in-1. In the comments below, tell me, are jeans hard for you to find? Why? What area doesn't fit for you? Like if you like this video, subscribe if you want more do-it-yourself fashion and tips, and I will see you next time.